Did y'all see the Biden and Harris primetime event Celebrate America special last night? That was a very good show. None of the music on there was really my type of music. Some of you may know that I'm diehard traditional country music, the old stuff. But I thoroughly enjoyed the show. The show was all about unity, bringing our country together. I mean, that's what we need right now. We need that badly. Together we can do anything. Divided will fall. Y'all, there was a group on there that I've never heard of before. Of course, it's not my kind of music. The Black Pumas. When I first seen them come up before they started singing, I'm thinking to myself, oh wow, there's going to be a lot of screaming and stuff. I'm not going to like this. Time their lead singer started singing, I said, wow, this guy can sing. He has got a beautiful voice. He's a young guy. And the whole time he was singing, I was like mesmerized with his voice. I couldn't help but think, I can't wait for the next 10 years after his voice ages. I can't wait to hear what he sounds like then. He's going to be awesome. Like I said, I've never heard of the Black Pumas, but that guy, he's got a lifelong career. The Foo Fighters, At Times Like These, is a song that they sung. I never heard that before. I've heard of the Foo Fighters, but I never heard of that song. Beautiful song. Bruce Springsteen was there. John Bon Jovi was there. Y'all, they had all kinds of different things, but the music really got me because, I love music. But what better way to bring the United States together but with music? Music will build bridges. Music tears down walls. We need more music in our lives. And I did love this show. So I believe stuff like this is what we need to bring us together. So if you did not see that show, you owe it to yourself to look it up here on YouTube and watch it. It's called the Biden and Harris Primetime Event Celebrate America. Y'all, is one thing that I would like to know. I mean, and it don't matter. I just would like to know how much what was the price tag on that show? I bet it was a hefty price tag. But the good that show could do, bringing people together, it was probably worth it. Y'all, if you didn't see the show, go watch it. It's a very good show. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to bring us through all of this. Pray for our country, pray for our leaders, and pray for everyone that's hurting. I love you all. Until next time. Ciao.